Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's beginner's video I'm sitting in a 2014 Chevy Traverse and I will show you how to use the parking or emergency brake, which is located down here. This video will apply to Chevy Traverses made from 2009 all the way up to 2017. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now to engage the parking brake, you will press it all the way in with your left foot. So just push it all the way in and then release it. And you will see here on the instrument cluster the exclamation mark symbol will appear. And that means your parking brake is engaged. Okay, now I will also show you how you can quickly test the parking brake to make sure it's holding properly. But you have to be careful. You can do this test only on empty parking lot or somewhere that's not public road, maybe your driveway, and always be careful not to lose control of the vehicle. Now once the parking brake is engaged and you shift to the drive mode, and you release the brake pedal, the vehicle shouldn't move. That's the first thing you can do. But also if you gently press the gas pedal, also the vehicle shouldn't move. You see, I keep pressing it and my vehicle doesn't go forward, so the brake is holding it. So this is a small test you can try doing. Once the test is done, you can go back to the parking mode. And I will mention one more time, always be careful when doing this, because if your parking brake is faulty and you release your right foot from the brake pedal, your vehicle will go forward, right? Especially if you press the gas pedal. So that's why I said always do this in safe zone, safe area. And now to disengage the parking brake, what you will do, you will press it all the way in again with your left foot. You will hear a click and then you will remove your foot. So click and remove the foot and this light will go off. So I will demonstrate one more time quickly. To engage it, press it, release. To disengage it, press, click, and you're done. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.